Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today we are decorating for fall together. I'm super excited because I haven't done like a decorate with me video in a while. I'll link some down below for you all in case you're interested in like the current decor, but I'm super excited to decorate for fall. It is still really hot in LA, but we have an AC that puts some work in here, so it definitely feels like sweater weather, and we're just going to decorate together and hopefully you all enjoyed this video. If you're new here, my name is Alondra and I just want to say welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's get started. I went to Target and Ikea and I bought some of these decoration pieces, and then I also ended up making a new art piece for the living room, and it is here. I use Canva, so I'm just going to kind of see where I'm going to put all of these, but I'm super excited for all of these little pumpkins. They come in like different sizes and just cute little things, and this little birdie. And then I got some of these vases from Ikea, and then these are from Target. This is from Target, and then this I'm going to actually print out, but I just wanted to see what I should put there. And then I also got these little things here. Very quickly, look at my Monstera Adansonii. She is just thriving in here. She started off with like, I think these 3, and then she's grown like 3 more, and she actually grew 3 more, but it was getting too long, so I actually chopped it off. But here she is in all her glory. But yeah. There was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. Okay, so for the shelf, I want to put up these flowers that I got at Target with this vase that I found at Goodwill for only $1, so it was honestly a steal. And the idea honestly was to paint it white with some like baking soda or baking powder, whatever's been going around. So I wanted to like put it in here white, so we'll see how it looks with clear. I think for now it'll look really good with clear, but let's go ahead and see what it'll look like. Easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. I created this art piece on Canva, and it says, "We may not always feel full, but we are always whole." I really like to add some little affirmations and sayings into our art pieces, especially in the living room, because it's where our guests are and where we spend most of our time. So hopefully over time they get ingrained and just again serve as affirmations. And then the other picture frame says "Hello Pumpkin," because my partner and I call each other Pumpkin. So I thought it was a very cute thing to add there. And then I'm just playing around with the pillows, removing some of them, and then of course changing the pot so that it can just feel a little bit more like fall. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover. changed this board to say I wonder if Target misses me too, because I hadn't been to Target in a while. I really did stay home at the beginning of the quarantine and didn't go like anywhere, and so I really missed Target, but it was time to change this board, so I put let's get cozy. Even though it's been really hot in LA, like I said, we have an AC unit and it is freezing in here, so I thought that this would be a perfect thing to put, because we do find ourselves getting a lot more cozy nowadays and bringing the blankets to the living room and watching TV. So I thought that it was like perfect.
I wanna jump around when I think about yesterday. Your smile.
During the pandemic, we did start playing board games, and I've always wanted to add onto like a board game collection, and so we had been playing Mancala for a while, and we got Jenga and Monopoly, and I really want to display our board games somehow, but in this time around I chose to display the Jenga in these little shelves because it's like orange and it kind of ties into the colors, so I thought it would be a good way to just put it into one of our shelves so that we can use it more often when we want to.
Can you imagine us two out in the woods in a big...
As you can see, I kept the dining table very simple, and same goes with the kitchen, as you'll see in a bit, because I use the kitchen so much, especially right now during quarantine, that I didn't want to add too many things that I'd have to be moving around. So I just wanted to throw in some little pumpkins here and there to add a little bit of touch, and then also just change like our soap that we use and our hand soap, dish soap, so that it can smell a little bit more like fall when I'm washing the dishes or we're washing our hands. And then same goes with the dining table. We use it so often that I didn't want to add anything that we'd have to move so much.
Discovering the world, the best ones they've ever heard about.
If you've watched my videos before, then you know that I keep my daily cleaning supplies down here, and so I'm just switching out my pine cleaner for my apple cider and my apple one over here, and so those I'll be using daily, and then I'll just place my pine one into my cabinet, or like I say, my mini store of cleaning supplies. So these are some that I like to save for another time. Now, to take a little break from decorating, we are going to make some pumpkin shaped waffles. I got this little waffle maker at Target. It was only $10. Went ahead and added in some turmeric, enough to change the color of the batter, but not the the pancake mix, but not enough to change the flavor. And I'm so happy that I bought this waffle maker. I've seen it before in the shape of a heart, and I'm so sad that I didn't get it before, but I think if I see any of these like little shapes, I think I'm gonna get them because they're super cute, and I think it's such a cute touch to add when you have someone over, or you want to make waffles for someone, or even for kids. I think this is super fun.
Parts of you, oh my, our bodies interlace, slow and easy, and I can reach you from a distance.
Hey friends, so I'm taking a little break right before I head into our guest bathroom to decorate that area, which will be the last area I decorate. I've already done the living room and I love it. I mean, just look at the shelf. And I think I've said this before that I want to put the shelf a little bit lower, but I don't want to do that today because I know I'm going to have to like clean up the like dust and everything. So so I'm not really trying to do that today, but I think one of these days I am going to move it a little bit lower. And then I also just wanted to note that I'm only decorating the common areas, as you can probably tell, because we don't really spend time in the bedrooms at all right now because it's too hot in there. So we're mostly, even my partner and I, we're hanging out in the living room for the most part. I'm working from like my lounge room and the living room, so it's fine to just decorate the living room for me to like be able to see it. But yeah, I just wanted to give you all a quick update of where I'm at, taking a little break like I said. And also I did get a haircut, if any of you noticed. I actually got this haircut like 4 days ago, and I love it. It is a lot shorter, but my hair was going in places. I was like, I need a haircut. So now it is so much shorter and so much easier to wash. I only need like a pump and a half instead of like 5 or 6 pumps to clean my hair. And I also feel like it's a lot healthier now, so if you noticed, that's awesome of you. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you all. And I'm gonna just kind of watch some TV right now. I've been watching Rizzoli and Isles. It's a show on Hulu. It's like detective and medical examiner show. It's pretty cool. I really like it. It's cheesy, but I really like it. And I'm gonna give myself like 30 minutes and then I'm gonna head over to the bathroom.
One of a kind, you and me.
Moving on to our guest bathroom, I really wanted to focus mostly on the shelves, but I did decide to kind of move things around right here around the sink area, mostly for ourselves. So you'll see in a bit that I switched the toothbrushes to the other side just to create some change. I don't know if I'll keep my Monstera here because I really do want her to keep getting more sunlight, so I might end up buying some more flowers, like faux flowers, like the ones that I put above the couch, and just put one here in this area in the restroom on the sink. But this is what I was excited about, to just change some of the decor around on the shelves. As you can see, they're just very small touches. I didn't want to do anything too drastic and spend too much, but I thought that these little things were such a cute addition to the restroom.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
As you can see, everything is super simple, but it makes such a huge difference. I absolutely love how everything turned out, especially the living room, because this is my favorite area. Literally, when is it not? I love playing around with colors here. I love that my plants surround the area as well. Super green, very fall. And then this area here, I tried to not keep it as cluttered because this area does get cluttered since we put our stuff there when we come home. And then the kitchen, I think just adding in a new rug and the cloth here and throwing in a few little pumpkins in one area really made such a huge difference. And of course, changing our soap and our dish soap, it makes it smell like fall. Alright, so it is about 7:30 p.m. now, and I am officially done with all of the decorating. I had so much fun. I just wanted to remind you all that if you're looking to decorate and want to keep it at a more affordable price point, then definitely check out like the dollar section at Target. That's where I got the majority of the things that I have, and I spent about $30 to $35. And then what added up the bill was actually like this pillow here, which was $20. But definitely check out the dollar section at Target, 99-cent store, and the Dollar Tree. And then if you have any other recommendations, definitely let me know. I noticed that Home Goods was a little bit pricier for me this time around, maybe because I'm not such like a big Halloween or like fall decor person. I'm more of like a spring and Christmas person, so I rather splurge on those items. But yeah, I just wanted to let you all know that there's really great things at the dollar section at Target. And then don't sleep on the little waffle maker, the little pumpkin waffle maker from Target. It was so cute. I was surprised it was only $10. I remember there was like a heart one close to Valentine's, but I never actually checked the price because I was like, I'm not gonna get that. But now I'm like, I really want the heart one, so I'm gonna keep an eye out for that in a few months. But yeah, I had so much fun hanging out with you all. Thank you all for being here and for virtually hanging out with me. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye.